In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to teach prepositions of place in a communicative way. Step 1. As a teacher, you need first of all to introduce and present these prepositions to the students. To do so, you can use different techniques. Number 1. You can use pictures and realia which show these prepositions in context. You can also provide examples, but still, you will need pictures which concretize them. Or, you can use gestures, body language, or some objects which explain these prepositions in reality. Step 2. At this stage, students need to practice the acquired knowledge. Therefore, they need to make use of these prepositions. In order to practice prepositions of place, we can use flashcards. Flashcards are very useful and motivating. You, as a teacher, you provide students with cards containing the learned prepositions, and the student need to choose one card and give an example using the preposition written in that card. We can also use some classroom objects like pens, tables, desks, pictures, etc. And students can ask each other questions about the place of these objects. For example, student 1 is going to ask student 2 this question: "Where is my pen?" Student 2 answers, "Your pen is in the pen case," or "Your pen is under the table." Lastly, we move to step 3. In this step, students are required to produce sentences with the learned prepositions. Thus, we can ask them to work in groups or individually to cite sentences using prepositions.